Hello, hello, beautiful friends. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend and you were able to play and rest and have some fun. So last week we were focusing on syllables. We were talking all about syllables or word parts, word beats, word chunks, whatever we called them. So this week we're going to focus on a new type of word, a special kind of word called a compound word. And compound words have very special word parts. They're not syllables. Compound words do have syllables like all words do, but they're also made up of a different kind of chunk. They're made up of two or more words. So a compound word is a big word that has different words inside of it. And you'll take the first word and the second word and put them together to make a new word. So I'm going to teach you about some compound words that you probably already know. I'm going to show you a picture of a compound word, and then we're going to try to listen for the two words that are inside of it, okay? So let me show you some words. I know you've heard these words before. You've definitely seen these things. So get ready and try to listen to what two special words are inside of this one big word.
Here's a yummy treat, a cupcake. You guys know about cupcakes because we've definitely had them in our classroom. But cupcake is a compound word. There are actually two words inside of the word cupcake. Can you hear them? Cupcake. It's the word cup and the word cake. Cupcake. When you combine or put together the words cup and cake, you get cupcake.
Did you guys hear that? So a cupcake is a special kind of cake. It's a little tiny cake that could fit inside of a cup. So they call it a cup cake. And when you put that together, it makes cupcake, which is a delicious treat. I love cupcakes.
Here's another compound word, blueberry. Do you hear two other words inside of blueberry? What are they? Blueberry. It's the color blue and the fruit berry. Blueberry. When you put blue and berry together, you get blueberry.
I think that compound words are really cool, right? Think about if you have a whole bowl or a bucket, like in the picture, of berries, all different kinds. We have strawberries, raspberries, gooseberries, blackberries. Those are all berries, but they all have their own name and they all look different and taste different, right? They're each a different kind of berry. What makes a blueberry different? Well, it's a little sphere. Its taste is different, but it's also blue, right? And strawberries are red, blackberries are blackish purplish. So we named them blueberries because they're blue and they're berries. So if we take blue and berry and put it together, we get blueberry, which is a special kind of berry. Now pause. I just want to show you that compound words are made up of two words, but they also have syllables. Syllables are word parts that all words have, right? Dominique is not a compound word. Dom is not a word. Is not a word, and neek is not a word, right? So I have syllables in my name, but my name is not a compound word. So if I clap out my syllables, I would say Dominique. If I clap out the syllables of blueberry, I would say blueberry, okay? So they're not the same. It's just that compound words are a special kind of word that have two or more words inside. So blueberry has syllables, but we're not talking about that today. We're talking about the words within a compound word. And the two words are blue, that's a color, and berry, that's a fruit. Blueberry, blueberry.
Here's another compound word. It's snowball. And the word snowball is one word, but it actually has two words inside of it. Can you hear them? Snowball. They are the words snow and ball. Snowball. When you put snow and ball together, you get snowball.
Isn't that kind of cool? So if we have snow, which is a kind of precipitation or moisture, water that comes down from the sky, and if we have ball, which is a toy that we play with in different ways, we might bounce it, roll it, throw it. If we take them together, if we make a ball out of snow, we have a snowball. Snow, ball, together is a snowball.
And here's a picture of a little bug called a firefly. Do you hear two words in firefly? I hear fire and fly. Firefly. When you put together the words fire and fly, you get the compound word firefly. Fire, fly, firefly.
And I love this one because I love insects. Maybe you guys don't know how much I love them, but usually in the springtime, if we were in our classroom, we would be learning all about bugs because Miss Dominique loves bugs so much. I really love fireflies. I think they're so cute and cool because their bottom lights up. Maybe you guys have seen them outside in the summertime, and maybe you guys have tried to catch them because they have a little piece of their body that glows. It's bright and it looks like a light. So if we take the word fire, which is something that lights up, right? If you look at fire, it's so bright. You take the word fire and you take the word fly. Fly is a little insect that flies around. You put it together and you get firefly. That would be an insect like a fly that flies around and also lights up. Fire, fly, makes firefly. So now that you've learned about compound words, we're going to spend the next 3 days playing games with those words, trying to break them apart and put them together and see all of the words that we know that are actually made up of two little words. And it's really cool to think about why. Why did somebody make a new word using two words, combining them? I really like this. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.